Hello and welcome to DIY EV Mods. Today on this video I will be explaining why I decided to create this channel. I recently purchased a 2013 Ford Focus Electric. I've started doing research on ways to improve its looks and range, and unfortunately I haven't been able to find much. I also checked on YouTube to see if there was any channels that were geared specifically towards the Focus Electric, and again couldn't find anything, which is why I created this channel. It is my hope that with the modifications that I make, it helps give other people ideas on what they could do with their vehicles as well. While I'm not a professional mechanic or fabricator, I do have a passion for working on and modifying cars, and I have since I was a teen. Again, the modifications that I'm making are specific towards my Focus. However, because it's a compliance car, most of the ideas can be used and adapted towards other compliance cars like the Fiat 500e, the Spark EV, or the e-Golf. While I do believe these manufacturers did a good job of taking out the internal combustion or ICE and putting in electric powertrains, I do believe that there are still modifications that can be made to help improve its range. On the next video, I'll be introducing my 13 Focus, who I've named Claire, and going in more in depth on some of the modifications I have in the works, and maybe a little bit of a timeline on when I expect to get these done. If you'd like to follow along the journey, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, put a comment below, and don't forget to hit the bell so that you can get notified when I drop another video.